Hi, my name is Nectaria. I'm the owner and everything else of Soaphistication. One of the things that I do is that I design bath bomb molds, which I 3D print. One of the more popular styles of mold that I make now are what we call hybrid molds or one-piece molds. But I do still get a lot of questions on how to use it, especially people who are used to what I would consider the kind of standard or classic three-piece bath bomb molds. Now, before we get into how to use it, just so you know, the reason that they're called hybrid molds is they're kind of a hybrid between what kind of we typically think of as a 3D printed mold, which are usually coming in 3 pieces. So they're like a hybrid of that 3-piece mold and what are vacuum form molds, which vacuum form molds are 1 piece, but they're a different material. So a hybrid mold is 3D printed, has got a lot more form and substance to it than a vacuum form mold, but it's only 1 piece instead of 3 pieces. So if you've got questions about how to use a hybrid mold, this is the place for you. Come with me onto my table right here and let's make a bath bomb with a hybrid mold. So I'm going to take my mix and lightly sprinkle it into the mold. I then shake it around a bit and just kind of lightly tap the mix into the mold to just make sure that the design is going to get imprinted on my bath bomb. That's not necessarily necessary, but I do it just in case. If you're using embeds, you want to put them in now because you don't want them to stick out of the bottom. And then you're just going to continue filling up the mold with your mix. You want to make sure when you fill it up that you overfill the mold. You can see here that I'm near the bottom of my bowl, and so I have to kind of keep going back because I can feel little divots. Then you take a scraper tool. I got this one from the dollar store, and you basically want to scrape everything off to make sure you're going to have a flat bottom after you unmold. You're then going to take your whacking spoon, tap all around, flip the mold onto your tray, and then I sometimes will tap again. And then you're going to slowly lift the mold straight up. If you feel that the bath bomb is not out of the mold, don't keep lifting. You'll want to put it back down, tap again, and then lift straight up. You can also tap while lifting if you're comfortable with that. I hope that this video helped you feel more comfortable with trying out a hybrid mold to see if that's what's right for you. Now, when you compare a 3-piece with a hybrid, it's totally personal preference. There are pluses and minuses to each kind. I've done a video on how to use 3-piece molds, which if I can figure out how to do it, I'll link here. I love how YouTube people are like, I'll link here, and they put a little thingy there. Let's see if I can do it. In case you're wondering, I ended up painting that bath bomb because I'm just loving painting bath bombs lately. And this is how it ended up. I really had a lot of fun painting this. I'm kind of playing with shadows and things like that. No matter which mold type you decide to use, I hope that you have lots of fun making your bath bombs and even more fun using them or selling them if that's what you do. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button. And I don't post as much as I'd like, but if you want to see more content from me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I do upload. And feel free to leave some comments in there of any other things you'd like me to share. You can also join my Facebook help group if you're on there. It's the Soaphistication Bath Bomb Molds help group. So if you've purchased any of my molds and you're just having questions or just want to share what you've done, we love to see what people make in there. So till the next time I see you, have a wonderful day and happy making. Oh, and once I start talking, my dog wants to come and say hello. Come here. He came with me to work today. Say hi, Albie. You want to say hi to my little doggy? Isn't he so cute? Look at him. Once I start talking, he thinks there's somebody else here and he's like, I want to meet them. These are my little friends. I know you don't see them. Okay, I gotta get back to work. Say bye. Oh, you don't want to go. You don't want to go. I don't want to let you go. Let's try that again. No, I just put you down.